Welcome to online classes by Nidhi Agrawal. Today we will study about the properties of integers. In properties of integer, first of all we will study about the properties of addition class. The first property of addition of integers is closure property. The property says when an integer is added to another integer, we always get the result as an integer. What does this mean, class? Whenever we add two integers, the answer is always an integer. Right, class? Look at the example. -7 plus 2 equals to -5. Now here, class, you can see -7 is an integer, plus 2 is also an integer. The answer is -5, which is also an integer. This indicates when we add two integers, the answer is also an integer. This means that closure property holds closure property. Now the next is the second property is commutative property. Order does not matter in addition of integers. Means, class, whenever you add two numbers, the order does not matter. You can add in any order. Means you can write any number first and you can write any number second. Example, class. If you write 18 plus 14, this is equals to 32. And if you write 14 plus 18, this is also equals to 32. This means that addition of integers holds commutative property. Now look at the next. The third property is associative property. Associative property says in addition of integers, when grouping is changed, the result does not change. Means you can add the numbers in any group. Class, when you have 2, 3 or more numbers, you can add the numbers in any group. Means grouping is not important here. You can add in any group. In addition of integers, when grouping is changed, the result does not change. देखिए क्लास, आप किसी भी ऑर्डर में ऐड करेंगे, आपका रिजल्ट जो है वो चेंज नहीं होगा. लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल. सी 8 प्लस 3 प्लस 9. तो हमने पहले 8 और 3 को हमने प्लस किया क्लास, तो आपके पास आ जाएगा 11 एंड 11 प्लस 9 कम्स 20. नाउ इन द सेकेंड वी हैव एडेड 8 and 9 फर्स्ट and then we will add 3. So 8 plus 9 is 17 and 17 plus 3 is again 20. Now in this example we will add 3 and 9 first. 3 plus 9 is 12 and 12 plus 8 is 20. This indicates that the addition of integers holds associative property. Now look at the fourth property of the addition, that was additive inverse. An integer and its opposite are called additive inverse of each other. If a plus minus a is equals to 0 or minus a plus a equals to 0. Means, class, जब आपके पास कोई जैसे a और a का एडिटिव इनवर्स क्या हो जाएगा क्लास? माइनस ए. और a और माइनस ए को प्लस करेंगे तो 0, और माइनस ए प्लस ए भी आपका क्या है क्लास? 0. आप इसको एग्जाम्पल देखिए क्लास. देखिए 5 प्लस माइनस 5 करेंगे, दैट विल बी इक्वल्स टू 0. बोथ 5 and -5 are additive inverse of each other. Means, class, if the question is write the additive inverse of 5, what you will write? -5. And the additive inverse of -5 is 5. Means 5 and -5 are the additive inverse of each other. ये एक दूसरे के additive inverse होते हैं. Now look at the fifth property, that was additive identity. So what is the additive identity, class? See, adding 0 to any integer does not change the value of the integer. As you know, class, whenever we add 0 to any number, the answer remains same. Right, class? So 0 is the additive identity. See example, minus 20 plus 0. The answer is minus 20. Means the value minus 20 remains unchanged. So this indicates that 0 is the additive identity of integers. So here I have written, therefore we can say that 0 is the additive identity of integers. Now class, we will look for the properties of subtraction. So what are the properties of subtraction? So again the first property of subtraction, we will look for the closure property. Now see, when an integer is subtracted from another integer, the result is always an integer. See class, whenever you subtract two integers, आपका जो आंसर है that will be also a integer. See, 12 minus 20, 12 क्या है? 12 is an integer and 20 is also an integer. When you subtract two integers, your answer is minus 8 and which is also a integer. Minus 8 क्या है? Integer. So what does this indicate? This indicates that the subtraction of integers is closed under the closure property. Means subtraction of integers holds closure property. Now look at the property 2, commutative property. What is the commutative property? Order. So now here class we will see कि हम subtraction में जो है आपका ऑर्डर चेंज कर सकते हैं या नहीं चेंज कर सकते हैं. ऑर्डर मैटर करता है या नहीं, क्या फिर हम किसी भी ऑर्डर में लिख सकते हैं. तो नाउ लुक एट द एग्जांपल क्लास. इफ आई राइट 18 minus 14, my answer is 4. But if I write 14 minus 8, the answer is minus 4. Now are the 4 and minus 4 equal? No, these two are not equal. So what we will say that the subtraction of integers is not commutative. आपको क्वेश्चन जिस फॉर्म में दे रखा है आपको उसी फॉर्म में लिखना होगा. मीन्स अगर आप रिवर्स करके लिख देंगे तो आपका आंसर चेंज हो जाएगा और वो रॉन्ग माना जाएगा, है ना. तो द रिजल्ट इज नॉट सेम. सो व्हाट वी विल से दैट द सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ इंटीजर्स डज नॉट होल्ड्स कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. नाउ लुक एट द नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी. दिस इज एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी. In subtraction of integers, when groups is changed, the result does not remain the same. When you have to subtract three numbers now class, so in which group we have to subtract? This matters class. Look at the example. If I write 10 minus 6 minus 2, so the solution for this is 4. 4 minus 2 comes 2 class. And for this if I write 10 minus 6 minus 2, so 6 minus 2 is 4 and 10 minus 4 comes 6. Now 2 and 6 are different. What does this indicate? That the subtraction of integers does not hold good under the associative property. देखिए क्लास, आपकी जो है यहाँ पे आंसर, अगर आप इसको पहले माइनस करेंगे फिर बाद में इसको, तो आंसर 2 आएगा. और अगर आप इसको इस तरीके से ग्रुप करेंगे तो आंसर 6 है आपका. इट इंडिकेट्स द सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ इंटीजर्स डज नॉट होल्ड्स अंडर द एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी क्लास. I hope class you understood the topic very well. Thanks for watching the video class. Class please read it carefully, watch it again and again. Thank you class.